Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about online course creation. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So hello to my fellow creators in there. I extend a warm welcome to you as we delve into the exciting world of crafting digital learning experiences. As creators ourselves, we're no strangers to the profound joy of sharing knowledge and enabling others to thrive through online education. So, just a quick overview, an online course is a potent medium, a vehicle that guides learners on a carefully designed journey from the basics to mastery. But let's face it, the path to creating an exceptional course can be complex. From selecting the perfect topic to weaving engaging content, there are numerous elements that demands our attention. Yet worry not, as we're here to equip you with proven strategies, innovative tools, and expert insights that will propel your course to excellence. Throughout this endeavor, we'll explore effective techniques for structuring content, enhancing learner engagement, and optimizing the user experience. Our aim is to empower you with the knowledge and skills to craft compelling courses that captivate and educate. So, whether you're a seasoned creator seeking to refine your approach or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of online course creation, this journey promises to be enriching and enlightening. Now let's start off in choosing a topic. So as you can see in here, we're using ChatGPT, our trusty AI friend in here, to select a topic for us. So just need to type in here, your ChatGPT, can you give me topic ideas for my online course creation? Then right after, just click on to send and wait for it to generate ideas. Selecting the right topic for your online course is a paramount to its success. A well chosen topic aligns with your expertise and passions, ensuring your enthusiasm translate into engaging content. Moreover, a carefully chosen subject addresses a specific need or problem faced by your target audience, positioning your course as a valuable solution. A compelling topic also differentiates your course in a crowded market, enhancing its appeal to potential learners. By focusing on relevant and intriguing subject, you establish credibility, foster learning engagement, and lay the foundation for a course that resonates deeply and creates a meaningful impact. So as you can see in here, ChatGPT already generated some topic ideas for us. So let's choose one that resonates within you. So as you can see in here, I think I'm gonna be choosing this number six, the healthy living and wellness. Now the next thing that we'll do is to copy this one out. So we'll try to create a strong title, still with the help of ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT in here to create us a very strong title, and then we'll paste that one out because a strong title is the gateway to your online course success. It is the first impression that captures a learner's attention and conveys the essence of your content. So, a well crafted title not only sparks curiosity, but also communicates the value and relevance of your course, enticing potential students to explore further. A compelling title also sets the tone of your course, establishing credibility and resonating with your target audience. In a competitive landscape, a good title acts as a beacon, guiding learners to your course and igniting their interest from the very start. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT already generated a title for our course topic. So it is Holistic Well-Being, Your Journey to Vibrant Health and Balanced Living. So you are free to modify or adapt the title to better suit your course content and style. Remember, a compelling title can help attract potential students and convey the value of your course. Now, the next thing that will ask help for ChatGPT is to outline our course. Outlining your course is a fundamental step that lays the foundation for a structured and organized learning experience. It serves as your roadmap, guiding both you as a creator and your learners through the course content. An effective course outline breaks down the overall curriculum into manageable modules and lessons, creating a logical flow of information. Each module represents a key topic, while individual lessons delve deeper into specific subtopics. This hierarchy enhances clarity and prevents overwhelm, making it easier for learners to follow and comprehend the material. Furthermore, a well structured outline enables you to allocate appropriate time and resource to each module and lesson, ensuring a balanced distribution of content. It also helps you identify any gaps or overlaps in your course, allowing for necessary adjustments before you begin creating the actual content. So it's like constructing the framework of a building. It provides structure, direction, and a clear path for both you and your learners to navigate. So as you can see, ChatGPT already generated key topics for each of our modules in here. So for us to be able to dive deeper as what I said earlier, let's go ahead and add in specific subtopics so that we would be able to explain it clearly to our learners. So let's add it in here and then we'll hit send. Now, once we have all of our topics in here, so what we'll need to do is we'll proceed to the creative step. So we will be creating slides for our online course. Creating slide is a pivotal phase in developing your online course as it transforms your content into visually engaging and organized format. Leveraging tools like Slides Carnival for templates and Canva for editing offers a powerful combination. Now let's go first in Slides Carnival. This provides an array of professionally designed templates that bring a polished and cohesive look to your course materials. These templates offer a variety of styles, ensuring your slides align with your course theme and purpose. Creators often offer free templates due to their time saving, cost effective, and structured nature. These templates offer a professional appearance, streamline design efforts, and eliminate the need for expensive software or hiring designers. By providing predefined layouts, they ensure organized and engaging content placement. Customizable features enable creators to infuse originality while maintaining a polished look. Ultimately, free templates empower creators to efficiently produce visually appealing and well structured courses, enhancing the learning experience. So, once you've chosen a template, just click onto this, and then right after, you'll have the option in there to download it to Canva, PowerPoint, and Google Slides. So we'll have to redirect this to Canva so that we could edit this furthermore. So you'll just need to click on Use Template, then you'll be redirected to Canva already. Canva steps in as a versatile editing platform, allowing you to personalize and enhance each slide. You can customize the colors, fonts, images, and graphics to match your brand and maintain a consistent visual identity throughout the course. The result is a visually captivating learning experience that holds your learner's attention and facilitates comprehension. By harnessing the creative potential of Slice Carnival and Canva, you're able to craft a course that not only imparts knowledge effectively but also leaves a lasting impact. So, what we're currently doing right now is we're trying to move in the details that we've gathered from ChatGPT so that we could put it in the Canvas slides that we have in here. So it's not just all about aesthetics. Our approach to creativity extends to the structure of your course. Just as a composer arranges notes into a symphony, we arrange modules and lessons to create a harmonious and logical flow of information. So each module is a chord in the composition, and each lesson is a note that contributes to a transformative learning experience. So by the end of this infusion of creativity isn't just about creating a visually pleasing course, it's about crafting an immersive journey that sparks curiosity, engage learners, and leaves a lasting impression. Through the fusion of innovative tools and our unique course style, we're here to help you create an online course that is as much a work of art as it is a powerful learning resource. Now, lastly, make sure to do a quick review onto what you have gathered in there. So make sure that you have added in all the important details for your course so that it would be a really informative journey for your learners. Now, share this and download your course so that once it is set up, it's time for it to launch. You can share your course on your website, social media platforms, and with your existing audience. Encourage engagement and offer promotions to attract students. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today, and I hope you found these steps helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comment down below. And until then, best of luck on your course creation journey.